Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode I'm super pumped for because we got new parts, and we always love new parts. So I want to bust this thing open and show you guys what I got. I think you're gonna like it. So let's get this thing open. Some good packing, I guess. Make a mess here. Should just throw it in the garbage. Alright, save that for a little bit later. And here is the most important part. Yeah. That guy right there. So right now this turbo is $196. You can find it on their website, Maxpeedingrods.com. This one is a GT35. So we're gonna open this thing up and see how good or how bad this turbo really is. First open it up, and we've got some gaskets here for it's a T3 flange. So the flange gasket there, the outlet gasket there, it's the 4-bolt circular pattern. And then it looks like we've got a drain gasket in there too. So far it looks to be fairly good. As you can tell, it's got the anti-surge housing here. Typical oil inlet, outlet there. But what's also really neat about these turbos, which you don't see in a lot of cheap turbos, is it's actually drilled and tapped to run coolant through it. So you can oil cool it and water cool this turbo, which is kind of a neat feature for such a cheap turbo. I don't know if I'll actually run coolant through this, but it's always an option. T3 flange here. I believe this is a 3-inch 4-bolt pattern outlet here with the GT35, typical structure. Nice little boost reference line there right in the housing. I always like using that. And I like that it's a threaded fitting, so I can pull it out and put in one of my, push to connect airline fittings in that instead of using a rubber hose. So now they also sent me some accessories for this turbo. And what this is, if I can get my razor to actually cut. So what this is a cast 90. Oh no! The cast 90 for mounting it. So that goes right on there. This will V-band to a 3-inch V-band, so right off like a turbo header or anything like that with a 3-inch V-band. It's a nice cast piece. You could cut open this, put in your wastegate right on top of there. Nice heavy duty unit. But yeah, so this is going to make mounting this turbo a lot easier. It's drilled for T3 and T4 also, so it can work on a bunch of different turbos. So that's just a nice little accessory to have. It really helps mounting them easier. I wish I would have had one of these for that turbo there instead of having to make my own basically. But so that's kind of a cool little accessory there. Well, there you have it, folks. The Maxpeedingrod GT35 turbo. It's a go for me. I really can't say anything bad about this turbo yet. Again, guys, do me a favor. Go to their website, Maxpeedingrod.com. I'll put it in the description below. Maxpeedingrods.com. And check out their Instagram, check out their Facebook. Pick up one of these turbos for yourself. So stay tuned for more awesome content, including these turbos. And as always, guys, I'll see you on the next one.